It is high time we talk about this. Everything you need to know about WhatsApp username. Have you ever wanted to chat with someone on WhatsApp without giving them your personal phone number? Maybe you're selling something online, meeting a new client, running a business, or simply care about your privacy. Well, that problem may soon be a thing of the past. WhatsApp is introducing one of its biggest updates in years, and that is WhatsApp usernames. And while it might sound like a small feature, I believe it could completely change the way we communicate, how businesses interact with customers, and even how AI assistants connect with people in the coming future. So what exactly are WhatsApp usernames? How will they work? Will your phone number disappear? Are there any privacy risks? And what does all of this mean for businesses and AI? So in today's video, I'm going to answer all of these questions and separate facts from speculation so that by the end, you'll know exactly what to expect. So a brief background about me. My name is Titus. I'm an IT officer and I've been in the IT industry for around 8 years. So this channel is all about how you can use AI. Basically me simplifying AI to the regular user there. All I talk about is AI. So if that's something that might be interested to you or it might be of interest to you, please consider subscribing. And then I always drop these tutorials and tips. Just everything connected to AI, I'll make sure I'll drop it here. If you want to keep updated and stay ahead of the AI game, please consider subscribing, turn on the notifications, and don't miss any video. So without much more say, let's dive in. So the first questions we're going to ask is, what are WhatsApp usernames? For years, WhatsApp has worked in one simple way. If someone wanted to message you, they needed your phone number. That system works, but has one major downside. That every time you want someone to contact you, you are forced to share one of your personal pieces of information, and that is your phone number. Whether you're selling a laptop, responding to a Facebook marketplace buyer, networking at an event, or talking to a potential client, your phone number had to become public. So usernames are designed to change that. So instead of now sharing your phone number, you'll be able to share something much simpler. For example, at Titus or Titus Simplifies AI. Think of it just like Instagram, X, or Telegram. People search for usernames instead of needing your phone number. It's a small change in the surface, but the impact will be massive. This is not the first time you are seeing usernames. Even Telegram itself has it. So the second question we're going to answer is, why is WhatsApp introducing usernames? And the answer is quite simple. It is all about privacy. Over the last few years, people have become much more concerned about protecting their personal information online. Nobody enjoys receiving random calls. Nobody enjoys spam messages. And nobody wants strangers saving their phone number forever after just one conversation. So usernames give users another option, that instead of exposing your phone number, you can simply share your username. That gives you much more control over your digital identity. And considering WhatsApp has billions of users worldwide, even a small privacy improvement affects an enormous number. So will usernames replace your phone number? This is probably the biggest misconception I've seen online on X. The answer is no. At least based on everything we know so far. You can check out the X page. Your phone number is still expected to remain a part of your WhatsApp account. You will still use it for registration, verification, and account recovery. The username is simply another way for people to find and contact you. Think of it like your email address. And also, as I've explained before, Telegram has usernames. So WhatsApp is not the first. It is like Telegram, just know WhatsApp. Most of you don't know Telegram, I'm sure, but Telegram has been there. It's a strong competitor for WhatsApp in several countries in the world. So don't panic. Your phone number isn't disappearing overnight, at least for now. So why is this great for privacy? Now let's talk about what I think is one of the biggest advantages. Imagine you're selling a phone online, selling a computer online, selling anything online. Today, you usually have to post your number. That means complete strangers can save it, call you, or message you whenever they want, or even scam you. However, with usernames, you simply tell people, message me on WhatsApp at the phone guy, the laptop guy. Simple as that. No need to publicly display your phone number. The same applies to freelancers, teachers, content creators, online stores, community leaders, even for joining new groups. For many users, this is one of the most exciting improvements WhatsApp has introduced in years. So what does this mean for businesses? Now this is where things become really interesting. Businesses rely on being easy to remember, which sounds better. Call me or message me on 0777. It's a little bit more complicated, but however, if it's a business, just say message me on at the coffee house. Simple. So usernames are easier to remember, they're easier to advertise, they're easier to print on posters, they're easier to put on business cards, they're easier to mention in YouTube videos, that is a share on social media. So this could be a powerful branding tool for businesses of every size. And if you're a business owner watching this, you should definitely start thinking about the username you like before millions of people begin registering theirs. Now, if you've been following this channel, you know we talk about AI. And this is the part that really excites me. Imagine messaging an AI assistant simply by searching for its username. Maybe at the travel assistant, at study helper, at health guide. Your favorite company's AI customer support. Instead of downloading another app, instead of opening another website, you simply open WhatsApp, search the username, and start chatting with it. While WhatsApp hasn't officially announced all of these possibilities, usernames could become an important building block for how businesses and AI interact with customers in the future. And considering how quickly AI is evolving, I wouldn't be surprised if we see many companies moving in this direction. But are there any risks too? Of course, every new feature comes with challenges. One of the biggest concerns is impersonation. We've seen people buying short GPT account usernames for buying different usernames. I mean, not buying, but reserving. So what happens if someone creates a username that looks almost identical to a popular business or public figure? Scammers are always looking for new opportunities. That's why it's important to verify who you're talking to before sending money or sharing sensitive information. I also expect WhatsApp to introduce systems that help users identify genuine businesses and official accounts, something like a verification or some questions everyone is asking. So let's quickly answer some questions, some common questions. Will everyone get a username? Most likely, yes, once the feature rolls out widely. Though it is not mandatory, but it is optional. For now, can two people have the same username? No. Just like on most platforms, usernames will likely need to be unique. So if someone is at Titus, other person can be at Titus1, cannot be the same. Can you change your username? We'll have to wait for WhatsApp's final implementation on that, but it's likely there will be rules around changing it. Will your contacts disappear? No. Your existing chats and contacts should continue working normally. This feature is expected another way to connect, not replace everything you already use. Now let me give to my thoughts. Personally, I don't think usernames are the biggest story. I think they are beginning of something much bigger. We are moving toward a future where messaging isn't just about talking to friends and family. It's about communicating with businesses, making payments, talking to AI assistants, booking appointments, getting customer support, managing services, and maybe one day, almost everything we do online starts with simply searching for a username. That's why I think this update is much more important than it appears. If it works the way people expect it, it could improve privacy, simplify business communication, and open the door to entirely new ways of interacting with AI and digital services. If you could reserve any WhatsApp username today, what would it be? Let me know down in the comments. And also, if you found this video useful and helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more videos about AI and the future of technology, and I'll see you in the next one.